Okay, now that we've set up Braille screen input on our iPhone, let's use it in an app, and let's use a GPS app. We're going to use a more advanced one. It's called Blind Square. It's a paid app. I think it's about $20 or so, and it just has a lot more features than what you'd find in Sendero Look Around or iMove. So to get there, we're on the home screen. I'm going to summon up the rotor function by doing that quarter twist to the right.
Braille tabletop mode.
Braille screen input, and we're going to search for Blind Square, so I'm going to type in the letter B.
B, 7 apps. B&H photo.
And 7 apps
Swipe right with 2 fingers to launch.
are listed, and I can go through the list by just swiping up or down.
Backup assist. Bird Log World. Bird's Eye. Bird's Eye N8. Blind Square.
Blind
Swipe
Square.
right with 2 fingers to launch.
And you can hear the prompt to swipe right with 2 fingers to launch. So I'm going to launch it.
1:42 p.m. Portrait opening blinds. Calendar. Thursday.
Blind Square
February 9th,
opens
Blind
up.
Square. Search button.
Now it's going to
Double tap
speak a
perform a search.
lot of words to me right now.
Active filter is My Places. You have only 49% of battery left. My Places, 12,148 Estates LNSE, Tenino. 20 meters at 1 o'clock.
Okay, and that's the built-in voice within the app speaking. So now that that's done, I'm going to summon up the search feature. And I'm just going to move my phone out of landscape mode and into portrait mode. You can see that some apps are only portrait mode capable, and Blind Square is one of those. So I'm going to type in a search field, something, probably a business, maybe let's type in Burger King. So we'll
Nightlife spot.
select, oops,
Search button.
search field,
Double.
click on
Is
that,
editing.
and I'm going to make it landscape mode again. So I selected search, put the phone in landscape, and now I'm going to type in Burger King by
Braille screen input.
going to
Landscape.
Braille
Column buttons to the
screen
left. Tabletop mode.
input
6
by
dots.
doing the quarter turn to the right on the rotor, and I'm going to type in Burger King. B
B.
U.
M.
Oops. If I mistype something, I can just swipe to the left with 1 finger,
M.
and you can hear it speaks the letter that I mistyped, or the letter that I went back to a little bit lower. So B U
U.
R
R. G.
G E R.
R.
Okay, and then to make a space, I swipe to the right once,
Burger.
and it speaks the word King. K
K. F.
I. Oops. Made a mistake. I'll swipe back to correct it. K I N G. Okay, to get out of the Braille screen input, I'll just summon up the rotor, twist my phone back to portrait mode, and then swipe to the right
Search button.
to search. Double tap.
Search.
I'm going to get a little bit of searching music,
Found 51 places within a distance of 15.3 kilometers.
and you can
to
see
99
now
kilometers.
that
Selected. Burger King, Olympia, fast food
the
restaurant.
nearest
menu, 15.3
Burger
kilometers at 10
King
o'clock.
is
Swipe up or
within
down to select the button action,
15.3
and double tap to
kilometers of me. And we can also set that for miles too. So if you go into the settings menu on Blind Square, you can figure that out. All right, so that's how to use Braille screen input, one of the new accessibility features in iOS 8.